So I'm working in the Software AG's IoT business unit. I'm heading actually the business unit IoT and Cloud globally, as well as being the CEO of Cumulosity, which was recently joined. It's a company acquired by Software AG a year ago. So I have a dual role managing the IoT Cloud business. Well, what we see at the moment in the market is that you really have to think about how you deploy your IoT projects. When we're seeing too many projects failing, and that's something which is of concern to us, obviously. What we try to emphasize is that you have a step-by-step approach, like a phased deployment approach, rather than trying to do too much at once. You should actually cut your project into tiny pieces and add agility to it and focus your activities with that re-engineering of your IoT. Yeah, so when I think about the three most important steps, you really have to think what's the immediate value add you can generate. So you have to drive a business case which gives you very fast return on investment. By doing so, you have the first step into a successful IoT journey. Then the second step would be, I take then the new knowledge, the new insight I'm having through IoT technology. I'm collecting data. There's a new insight, and I take that and improving my existing business processes. So kind of business process integration between the new IoT world and the existing processes. So that's the second step. And then the third step, we think about innovating your business, adding new revenue streams, really trying to drive out additional business out of your IoT data. Yeah, what we do as Software AG in IoT projects is that we supply an IoT platform which gives actually our partners and customers the ability to deploy IoT projects in a very agile mode. So they start with one application, expand to many applications. They start with a business internally driven cost efficiency. Then they are adding a revenue opportunity as a new business model. We are adding, with the platform approach, you have the openness and the freedom to deploy your IoT projects in many different ways. And that's very different to a bespoke silo developed application, which is very hard-coded and very, closed, and will not help you to be agile in your business journey. Yeah, I guess my favorite use case is really about pollution reduction. I think IoT has a big role there. We have recently announced a cooperation with London Transport buses to help them, the iconic double-decker buses, and we help them actually to retain the double-decker, but with the same way we monitor the pollution and reduce pollution in the city. We have many of these use cases at the moment. I really like them because they have an immediate impact, not only to businesses like industrial Internet of Things, but really an impact also to the wider public. Yeah, if I consider IoT implementation, my advice would be don't try to re-engineer the wheel. Start with a product platform approach, how we call it. We have a platform which can be deployed in the cloud, multi-tenant concept, horizontal scalable from very few devices up to millions of devices. It can be deployed on-premise, so it's agnostic to any cloud environment, can be also deployed on-premise as well as at the edge. So it's really it's a suite of software capabilities we deliver which actually speed up IoT projects and help our clients to focus on where it matters, where they add value on top of our platform, where they can differentiate. So they should re-engineer the whole stack, but really focus their resources on the differentiated part. Well, the exhibition is great. The event is super. much better than I anticipated, and it's really very busy, very crowded, great exhibition, and a lot of interest, so I like it.